Welcome to my channel, Softspot Reviews. Today we talk about RoboSTAFF reviews. In today's fast-paced digital world, managing a business can be challenging. Tasks like content creation, customer service, and website design acquire time and expertise. That's where AI-powered tools like RoboSTAFF come into play. In this review, we will explore how RoboSTAFF can serve as an AI virtual staff, helping businesses handle a wide range of tasks efficiently. What is RoboSTAFF? RoboSTAFF is an AI virtual staff designed to manage various business tasks. It combines the technology from giants like OpenAI, Google, Facebook, Amazon, and Microsoft. With this tool, you can manage tasks such as content creation, customer service, and website design without the need for human employees. RoboSTAFF promises to be 16 times faster than traditional methods, making it a compelling option for businesses looking to streamline their operations. Key features of RoboSTAFF. RoboSTAFF comes with a range of features designed to simplify your business processes. Let's dive into the most notable ones. 1. AI Virtual Staff. The primary selling point of RoboSTAFF is its AI virtual staff. These virtual assistants can handle tasks across different business functions. Whether it's writing content, managing social media, or developing websites, RoboSTAFF has it covered. 2. Marketing automation. RoboSTAFF is particularly useful for automating marketing tasks. It can generate high-quality content, craft compelling email campaigns, and even write SEO-friendly blog posts. How RoboSTAFF enhances business efficiency. RoboSTAFF is designed to make your business run more smoothly. Here's how. 1. 24/7 availability. Unlike human employees, RoboSTAFF works around the clock. This ensures that your business is always operational, whether you're managing customer service or updating your website. 2. No overhead costs. Traditional employees come with costs like salaries, benefits, and office space. RoboSTAFF eliminates these expenses. You only pay once, and the AI handles the rest. This makes it a cost-effective solution for businesses of all sizes. Is RoboSTAFF right for your business? RoboSTAFF is a powerful tool, but it's essential to consider if it aligns with your business needs. It's particularly well suited for small to medium-sized businesses that want to reduce overhead costs and streamline operations. If your business requires consistent content creation, customer service, or website management, RoboSTAFF could be a valuable addition to your toolkit. Conclusion. RoboSTAFF offers a comprehensive solution for businesses looking to automate and simplify their operations. With its AI, virtual staff, marketing automation, and cost-effective tools, it has the potential to enhance business efficiency significantly. While it may not be perfect for every business, it is certainly worth considering for those who want to leverage AI technology to stay competitive in today's market.